Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your Redmi 17 isn't recognizing your fingertip properly. First of all, we have to open settings on the smartphone, go to security and privacy or fingerprints, face data and screen lock settings, then unlock this menu. Then we have to remove previously enrolled fingerprints, tap on them and tap delete. Now we're gonna have to wipe the surface of our fingerprint sensor on the right side of the phone using either microfiber cloth if you have it around. If you don't, just use the corner of your cotton t-shirt. Then tap record fingerprint. Enter your pattern and add your new fingerprint by pushing your fingertip against the sensor and then lifting it up. Make sure to press firmly and use as much of your fingertip as you can for better results and for better fingerprint recording. Okay. You also use the edges. Tap down when you're ready, then select the unlock type, which you usually do after you first set up your fingertip. So choose whether to press or to touch your fingerprint sensor. After that, you should be able to normally unlock your device, but if you still cannot, then what we should do is scroll up to the About Phone section. Then let's tap on Xiaomi HyperOS and make sure that we don't have any available updates. And if you do have an update, take your time to download and install it. This will also update your security version and might fix this problem for you. After that, to apply changes, restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and swiping down to reboot. After the phone is restarted, we're gonna have to enter the password once as a security measure, then also let your smartphone launch. So just give it like a minute or half until every part of your interface is loaded. Then we can try to unlock the smartphone. Okay, as you can see, it worked, but if it didn't for you, don't worry. What we can do is we can basically trick the system by going back to settings and going back to fingerprints, face data and screen lock, entering the pattern or password once again, wiping the surface of the screen protector once again to make it clean and smooth, and adding another fingerprint, except for it's gonna be the same one. Just tap add, enter your pattern and proceed to add the same fingerprint. Now your phone might complain a little bit about you doing that, although I don't see any issues with that on that smartphone, but eventually you'll get there. Just repeat the same process until the pattern is finished. And tap done, and now we have basically two fingerprints instead of one, and this will help us resolve this issue. Okay, so besides this telephone being quite laggy, we basically have resolved this issue on this phone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.